Oanda Review. Is this trading platform worth it? So, what is Oanda? Oanda is a regulated online broker operating since 1996. It's known for its forex trading services, but it also offers CFDs on indices, commodities, metals, and bonds. You can trade through their web platform, mobile app, or integrate with MetaTrader 4. They are licensed in multiple countries, including the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Singapore. Here's what Oanda offers: tight spreads and transparent pricing, no minimum deposit to open an account, advanced charting tools with over 50 indicators, MetaTrader 4 integration for algorithmic trading, and access to real-time market news and economic analysis. It's built for both beginner and experienced traders. Its pros include it being highly regulated and reputable, trusted for nearly 30 years, excellent forex execution and pricing, and strong educational resources for new traders. However, it has limited range of CFDs compared to some competitors. No share trading, focuses mainly on forex and a few asset classes, and some advanced tools are hidden behind premium subscriptions. So is Oanda worth it? Yes, if you're focused on Forex or want a broker with a long track record and solid regulation, Oanda is a strong choice. But if you want a wide range of asset classes, you might find it limited. And that has been an honest review of the Oanda trading platform.